Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to discuss certain very important questions on Chaucer's prologue to the Canterbury Tales. Now, the first question is the prologue to the Canterbury Tales opens with the description of which of the following month, and obviously the answer is April. Now, moving on to the second question, the pilgrims in Chaucer's Canterbury Tales traveling to visit the remains of which saint? And the answer is number C, Saint Thomas Becket. Now, moving on to question number 3, where do the pilgrims of the Canterbury Tales meet in London? And obviously, the answer is Tabard Inn. So in this video, I'm going to share few more questions with you, and I think these questions would be very helpful in your preparation for NTA NET. Please subscribe our channel and uh, like our videos, and I hope that it would be beneficial for you all in your preparation for the NTA NET 2020. Now, moving on to the next question, that is question number 4. Here indeed is God's plenty, says a critic while commenting upon Chaucer's prologue to the Canterbury Tales. Identify the critic, and obviously the answer is option number B, that is John Dryden. Moving on to question number 5. Name the season in which the pilgrims are travelling for a pilgrimage in Chaucer's prologue to the Canterbury Tales. And the answer is spring. Moving on to question number 6. Which Greek mythological figure is mentioned as the god of west wind at the beginning of prologue to the Canterbury Tales? And the answer is Zephyrus. That is option number C. Please note down this question answers because these are very important from the viewpoint of NTA NET. Now, moving on to the next number of questions, that is question number 7. Which of the following characters had fought for his king in many wars throughout Europe and Middle East? And the answer is option number C, the knight. Moving on to question number 8. Chaucer's prologue to the Canterbury Tales also minutely details the description of clothes. One of his characters dresses in a simple cotton shirt that has stains in it. Which character is Chaucer referring to? And the answer is the knight, that is option number D. Moving on to question number 9. One of Chaucer's pilgrims is excellent in composing poetry and songs. His jovial nature is also reflected in his dancing and drawing. Identify the character, and obviously the answer is the yeoman. Now moving on to the last and the final question, that is question number 10. She is credited for speaking French fluently with an English accent. Further, she is the epitome of proper manners and etiquette. Around her arm she wore a rosary made of coral and green beads, and on this string of beads hung a golden brooch with the letter A and the inscription Amor vincit omnia, love conquers all. Identify the pilgrim that Chaucer describes in his prologue, and the answer is option number B, Madame Eglantine. She is also known as the Prioress. So this is very important question from the viewpoint of NET, as this question has been asked frequently in the previous NET examinations in different forms. So please be prepared in a very systematic and methodical way for your upcoming NET examination, and please do subscribe our channel and like our videos for such informative lectures. Thanks. May God bless you.